Hi. Hello family members to my channel.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Finished the Taket Club, but didn't post a video from Nong Khiaw and how we spent the new year. We went to the mountain, we spent the night camping in the highest peak in the Nong Khiaw. And we took a 3-day tour, which includes the trek itself, boat trip, other trek and the local village. But we've been scammed a little bit. Our company that set the tour for us, they told us about much more activities than we did it. I'll point you out in the video what he promised for us and what we didn't get it. Nong Khiaw adventure tour, did not recommend it. The guy is a really good seller, but he promised more than he gave it to us. Don't forget to subscribe and watch. I'm pointing all prices, where we stay, what we do, what we eat. So if you're planning trip to Nong Khiaw and do some treks, I think you will find this interesting. See ya! How much was the ticket to Nong Khiaw?
400 baht.
400. 400 baht.
400 baht per person.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know why, but we started to convert to Thai baht all the time. Just easier than Kips, because Kips are in the millions. 400 baht per person.
Yeah. To buy in person than one to go, but we just bought a one to go because there's 4 of us, and we just wanted to make sure there was enough space on the van for us.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Is it cheaper here?
I think it's cheaper in person.
Okay. Now you know, guys.
Water.
Bye-bye.
Is he going somewhere else?
Yeah, I think so. So crowded. No space in the bus. Bus leaving at 9. We arrived 8:20 and literally was full already. I have to sit on this seat without the back part. It was the worst ride of my life. 4 hours?
4 hours.
4 hours. And now I need to go to the physiotherapist because my back hurts. At least it's beautiful here.
Emotions run. Emotions running free. Emotions run.
For 250 kip per day for 2 people. Really good, and we are just 3-minute walk from the bus station. We didn't find this place online. The bus station is over here. We just walked through, asked 3 places, and we found it here. It's called Hang Hoang Lam Lert guest house. Beautiful view, quiet and clean. Backpacker way. Wherever you guys go, there's tourist information about trekking, some camping on the mountains, and all other tours around. So you don't need to be worried about pre-booking something. Oh, get some private concert. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but he's singing good.
Lately I've been thinking way too much about whether I'd even call this love. I'm always in my head, you're always on your phone, it never seems to feel right. No plane is in the sky, no help is on the way. I don't know what you want me to say. Can't take another year, can't take another day. Can't wait until it feels right. I've never been scared to walk away, and you're making it easier for me. You probably wouldn't fight, you probably wouldn't chase, and darling, that is messed up.
How old are they?
No plane is in the sky, no help is on the way. I don't know what you want me to say.
Oh shit. But we're not looking better, look at you.
Oh yeah, no. Can't get about me.
Oh, you go with her now. Guys, welcome from my channel. Today we are in Nong Khiaw and tomorrow we are not. Anytime I put the camera down, I'm just taking it out to record because it's more and more beautiful. Anytime I turn my head. And the beautiful sunset just hiding behind the mountains. Good morning everyone, 31st of December, and we are getting ready for our hike to the mountains. We are going to camp in the mountains for New Year, no party. Looking for some clothes in the other shop, we didn't find anything there. We just need a hoodie because we have everything else we need.
Not bad.
Camping&Adventure. That's the company we choose for our hike.
One. Take one each.
If you watch my previous video, I never complained about any company, but this one I really not recommend it. They promised for us English speaking guide, the guide not speak English at all, and they said we're paying $30 per person because the guide will carry our stuff up, but we ended up carrying ourselves, the camping set and everything. He promised to have the fishing on the boat, we didn't get it. Cooking class, we didn't get it. He says that if we're gonna book with him, he will give us cheaper ticket for the bus. Also, we didn't get it. We've been promised to be on the highest peak of the Nong Khiaw, we did not. And he said we're gonna have second day 8 hours trek on the jungle. We're gonna combine all together 3 days, maybe in 3 days we got the 8 hours hike. That's it. I don't know if you see guys, but he's carrying a speaker all the way up. Quite big one. We just listen to the music on the hike. And guys, don't take me wrong, because the experience itself was awesome, but his lie, I really don't like it. So I just want to tell you, so you are ready if you will book with him. 1 hour 40 minutes to the top, first rest. But we have already like 3 on the way. One more thing. He told us that we are going to be only for... I don't mind if there is more people, but that's the way he's selling and making money, doing like kind of private tour, you know?
We should get a photo together, guys.
I don't want a picture with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, double check it, Matt. I was just wondering.
Lately I've been thinking way too much about whether I'd even call this love. I'm always in my head, you're always on your phone. It never seems to feel right. No plane is in the sky, no help is on the way. I don't know what you want me to say. Can't take another year, can't take another day. Can't wait until it feels right.
It's not hard hike, easy. We make it in 3 hours, but I think you can make it in 1.5 if you walk solo and no one's stopping you. Oh, it works. Oh, the GoPro just fell from there.
Survive everything.
Yeah, just the screen is broken, the case is broken, but it works. I don't know what to say, guys. It's just so beautiful, and the sounds of the jungle, I think you can hear it. As you know, there's not so many animals in the Laos, not even birds. Like through the whole hike we haven't seen any animal, not even one bird, but now we can hear them. We are starting to setting up the tents and making everything ready for the dinner.
Every day she say the night of the sun.
Yes, I see tomorrow, sun.
Oh, just the way I like it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's actually really fun. Oh yeah. One cheese.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's great.
Yum. Now main question that I got it on Instagram, was it cold? Yeah, it was a little bit cold. We got a blanket, we got a sleeping bag, but I highly recommend it to have like at least 2 socks and jacket and some hoodie. So we arrived back to the office. We're gonna change our clothes, switch the backpacks, and we are taking boat to the other destination. But yeah, we have a time to use the toilet, Obviously there is no shower, probably. No, it's not shower, but still can pee. That's good enough. Oh. Now we're just going down from the office to the river. We're gonna take a boat. Very late.
For me, you probably wouldn't fight, you probably wouldn't chase, and darling, that is messed up. No plane is in the sky, no help is on the way. I don't know what you want me to say. Can't take another year, I gotta break away and find something that feels right.
I need that for the video. Hello.
ขนมจะไม่เป็นไรในยูนี่
What?
เขามีขนม
เอามาเขาใครเอามาเขาใครเฮ้ยอันนี้มันไงโอ้ยเด็กอันนี้
จะเอาเหรอเอาอยู่วะ
Give them.
เอ๊ะ
But
ข้าวกิน
not fight.
เบิ่งให้เขากินได้
เอาให้น้องเลยค่ะเอาให้น้องเลย
โอ้เขากินเยอะเลยเขามัก
ขึ้นเรือได้เลยไหม
เกลือเลย
โอเค
เกลือเลยเป็นมาซาดัง
Getting cold. We arrived to the village.
Here is all. Do basket. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So then we take a shower and we go to the village.
Do you have a hot water?
Not hot water.
Oh, cool. No electricity. my turn. I'm gonna try to do the basket holder.
I did that in the school also.
And when the evening comes, we become really close friends with the local kids. And guys, if you can play with them, just do it. It's so much fun. They're really happy to see foreigners. And after that, we was invited for the dinner. And we really enjoyed the time with the local people there. Sawadee. Looks delicious.
Okay, I'm ready to eat. I like this.
Oh, yum. Day number 3. Hello. Hi, sawadee.
Yeah, they do from the Chinese people, and then they take some stone here to the river for fix hydro power. You see,
Yeah.
hydro power in Laos.
Really cool jungle, but no animals, no birds, nothing, haven't seen anything yet. And it's just because there is no animals. I asked the guide and he says all animals have been eaten, hunted, and if there is some animals they usually hide somewhere up there, and most of them ran away from here when it was a war and the USA was bombing the Laos. By accident, I guess. Since I arrived to Laos, all I see, like from the big animals, was the pigs and buffaloes. Nothing else. There is not even many cats or dogs here. Our last activity after hike was a kayaking to the village. From the pickup point to the village we kayaked maybe 20-30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and help me grow my channel.